floods to 8:30.
This here is July 14th of 2015. This is my yard, boys. Check that out. I'm walking through my yard and you see a big flood, boy. Big old current right there. Look at that. That's a big one. I ain't gonna walk no further than that, but if you can't see that, I don't know who can. Look at that. That runs all down through there. All down through there. Cars going through here. Look at that. That's bad, ain't it, guys? That's some water. If that ain't water, I don't know what it is. And it's coming down off of this really fast. You know? That's what I'm talking about. Look here, boys. Got a real ocean running through here. Running up back to them people's house, and it's running down. All the way down through here, and it's coming across here. Flooded our property out. That's bad. Well, I'm there past them pines and that tree there. Oh wow. That's not good.
What? The flue got open?
Yeah, rain got in it. Here, help me, yeah. Push up on that. Not just shove up on it. Or hold it in, not shove up on it. Ooh, why ain't it going in?
It's a piece of shit. How much rain got into it?
Quite a bit. That is our fire lane, and this log's come open, so I'm recording this, you know.
Damn, look how high it is up on my butt.
Oh, that's went down since I recorded. But it's almost up this other brick. See that brick? We got other videos on my camera where we cameraed out here. Some parties and stuff. And look at that. That's the big old thing on the road there. Let's get close as I can to it. That's as far as I can get. And that water's riffling around that. This is my house. This is where I live.
You know there's a plug outside?
Oh, what?
Plug.
I don't care about that plug. I'm about to load up and be history.